Hey everyone, Jeremy here with REV Rides, and today I'm going to show you how to install tube armor in your scooter tire. So what I like about this tube armor is it's got this handy dandy valve stem remover. You're going to pull up the straw, pull off the cap, and there's your valve stem remover. Go ahead and remove your cap. And here. Make sure you don't lose your valve stem. So for each tire, you're going to want to use 3 to 4 ounces of the tube armor. Stick that tube. The tube should slide over the valve like so. It's got an indicator here on the side of the bottle. 2, 4, 6, 8 ounces. So we're just going to go ahead and measure out. So 3 ounces right there. And I like to make sure that my valve stem is upright and not at the bottom, so then the slime will run down. Go ahead and pop that off. Grab your valve stem. If you got any tube armor on your valve or your tire, go ahead and clean that off with a towel. Now if you end up spilling some out of the valve like this, don't stick your valve in there and get it all sticky because it won't seal correct. Go ahead and just grab a towel, wipe up that excess. That helps if you have a Q-tip. I don't have one right now, so I'm just gonna twist up this towel a little, stick it in the valve. You can always blow it out if you don't have access to Q-tips or paper towels. Go ahead, be very careful. Put this valve stem back in there. Righty tighty. You will want to make sure it's nice and tight in there, or it will leak. And go ahead and pump up your tire. I'm adding 45 psi to this tire. psi, and you're good to go. Now your tube is protected. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped. I hope it was useful, and you can find this tube armor at revrides.com.